everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy December 2nd. So today we're starting with Kiehl's advent calendar. Let's see what's behind drawer number 2. Yeah, it's a small one. Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Oh yeah, this is their very famous midnight concentrate. Okay, it's quite small. This one, it's 4 mils. The 30 mils retails for £40. Yeah, this is their very famous midnight recovery concentrate. It includes lavender essential oil, which is good to soothe inflammation and boost your skin's glow. I'm really happy with the product, but come on, size of my pinky. ASOS. Drawer number 2 is this one. Quite big one. Actually, yeah, it's just the box. What is this? Oh, Purifying Pink Clay Detox Max by Emma Hardy. I've always wanted to try this one. Deeply cleanses, purifies and balances the skin, refine the pores and gently exfoliates, helps to even skin tone and reduce appearance of redness, improves moisture level in the skin. It's 15 ml, which is not bad. It's bigger than, what is it? If I need to compare. Let's see what is in drawer number 2. Oh, okay. We have the Detox Shampoo by Living Proof. It's a new product for me. I've never tried any of the Living Proof products before, and it's 60 ml. We definitely have a winner here, and this is Cool Beauty. But I'm really pleased with this mask. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up and press the bell button. See you tomorrow.